Welcome to Dev International School, a sanctuary of learning and growth, where every corner resonates with the vibrant energy of exploration and excellence. Step into our world, where every moment is an opportunity to learn, grow, and become the architect of your own success. Dev International School is a perpetual odyssey of exploration and innovation. Our labs, they are like our secret chambers of discovery, turning textbooks into adventures where every experiment is an adventure waiting to unfold, and every discovery sparks the flame of curiosity. In sports, we are more than just athletes. We are diligent students, honing our physical prowess and mental acuity. Whether gliding through the water in the pool or shooting hoops in the volleyball court, horse riding here isn't just about mastering the reins. It's a transformative journey, instilling empathy and fostering responsibility. Similarly, in extracurricular activities like dance, we discover new passions and nurture our creativity. The library is a treasure trove, inviting you on exhilarating journeys of discovery, igniting imaginations. In our cafeteria, students enjoy nutritious meals, promoting balanced choices and proper dining etiquette. Dev's meticulously maintained buses ensure safe, comfortable, and disciplined transportation. Our hostel facilities nurture academic and social growth. Welcome to our transformative journey, where dreams, talents, and futures flourish. Join Dev International School, where innovation, inspiration, and integrity thrive. Dev International School.